this video, we cover the following topics. In this video, we cover household helpers or items that are easily found around the house or are convenient and affordable to add to your watercolor kit for the purpose of creating a range of effects. Let's get into this additional and optional gear. An old toothbrush. Bubble wrap. Plastic wrap. Aluminum foil. Gauze. Salt. Rice. Desiccant pack. Stencil. Melamine sponge. Rubber or clear stamps. Metal stamps and hammer. Magnets. Straw. Soap. Isopropyl alcohol. Ice. Cotton buds. Erasers. Embossing tool. Fork. Preference or gift card. Empty ballpoint pen. Candle. And a white crayon. Looking to transform your watercolor skills? Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor, is packed with essential techniques, interactive lessons, a free guide, and over 200 videos to inspire and teach you. It's the perfect resource to make watercolor approachable, fun, and rewarding. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase Comprehensive Watercolor in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.